The 2024 Jeep Wrangler 4xe Rubicon X stands as a testament to Jeep's evolution from its military roots, offering a blend of off-road prowess and comfort. While its road manners are more truck-like than luxurious, it provides plenty of creature comforts, with higher-end trims bordering on the luxurious. The 2024 iteration sees a mild visual and tech update, with an updated grille and 10 new wheel designs. The interior now features a standard 12.3-inch infotainment display, replacing the smaller screens from previous models. The infotainment system features Jeep's latest software, as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The plug-in hybrid 4xe powertrain, which now extends to the Rubicon X trims, also includes a 3.6 kilowatt auxiliary battery to power accessories. The Wrangler offers a selection of 5 different powertrains, including the 375 horsepower plug-in hybrid 4xe powertrain. Part-time four-wheel drive is standard across the range, controlled by a lever on the center console. On the road, the Wrangler's handling remains truck-like compared to more refined SUVs and pickups, but its off-road capabilities are exceptional. The 4xe powertrain is particularly appealing for those interested in electric-only off-roading. The 17 kilowatt-hour battery pack provides up to 25 miles of electric-only driving, which Jeep suggests is enough for a few hours of low-speed off-roading. In terms of fuel economy, the Wrangler leads its class, outperforming rivals such as the Bronco and the 4Runner. The turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid model delivered 26 mpg, proving its efficiency. The Wrangler's interior blends vintage and modern Jeep character. While not the most spacious SUV, it provides a commanding view of the road or trail, albeit with some rearward visibility limitations due to thick roof pillars, roll bars, and grab handles. The rear seats don't fold flush with the floor, but there's still enough room for groceries and gear. The comprehensive infotainment package, standard in all models, features an easy-to-use interface called Uconnect 5. It can be displayed on a 12.3-inch touchscreen and includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also offers onboard navigation with over 2,000 mapped trails and an active noise cancellation feature. The Wrangler came equipped with available features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and forward collision warning. Lastly, Jeep's warranty package for the Wrangler includes a limited warranty covering 3 years or 36,000 miles and a powertrain warranty covering 5 years or 60,000 miles. Additionally, all models come with 3 years of free maintenance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.